this terminal where the buses arrive. I was a commuter on the 804, worked for a computer on the 19th floor, and you came down the aisle of the bus and you sat by my side, shoulder up to shoulder. We shared that 9 o'clock ride. Oh, my heart was screaming as you left your seat, following your movements. I was at your feet, and oh, down into the terminal both of us filed. So we entered the terminal just as you smiled. Won't you leave off work for the day? You asked of me then. So I phoned in sick on the way to the home of a friend. We were all alone from 10 a.m. till 3. Really thought the fire had gone out of me, but you awoke the sleep of my life from gray into red, made the weary wonder of Wall Street rise from the dead. Could have held a body my entire life, but I had to get home to the kids and the wife, and so I left for the terminal where I began. Baby, no, I wouldn't have left if I'd been half a man. So here I am this morning where love had asked for the dance, here within this terminal where I passed on a chance. Lord, I'll never find her though I've truly tried. Probably she's found another bus to ride, and I am now about to begin the last of my days. I'm within what others would call a terminal phase. I myself can only say it's living dead. Right into the office with a song in my head that goes la da 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 da, and you know it grows la da 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 da.
Sa pagpatak ng bawat oras ay ikaw ang iniisip-isip ko. Hindi ko mahinto, pindig ng puso. Ikaw ang pinangarap-ngarap ko, simula ng matanto na balang araw iibig ang puso. Ikaw ang pag-ibig na hinintay, puso ay nalumbay ng kay tagal, ngunit ngayon'y nandito na ikaw. Ikaw ang pag-ibig na binigay sa akin ang may kapal. Biyaya ka sa buhay ko, pag-ibig ko'y ikaw. Pag-ibig ko'y ikaw.
IFM ay aking best friend.
People say that you're no good for me. People say it constantly. I hear it said so much, I repeat it in my sleep. Maybe I am just a fool for you. Maybe you're no way angel too. But all that talk is cheap when I'm alone with you. If love is blind, I find my way with you. 'Cause I can't see myself not in love with you. If love is blind, I'll find my way with you. All the world is crazy anyway. What's it matter what they say? If I'm the one that's wrong, then let it be my mistake. If love is blind, I'll find my way with you. 'Cause I can't see myself not in love with you. If love is blind, I'll find my way with you. You wouldn't be with me tonight if I didn't feel that I was right. What will it matter anyhow, 100 years from now? If love is blind, I'll find my way with you. 'Cause I can't see myself not in love with you. If love is blind, I'll find my way with you.
IFM.
Ay, Buknoy! Buknoy!
Uy, Bitoy, bakit?
Sino bang mas idol mo? Si Arnold Schwarzenegger o si Sylvester Stallone?
Siyempre, mas idol ko si Arnold Schwarzenegger.
Bakit naman yun ang idol mo?
Siyempre, maganda yung movie niya, yung mga Terminator.
Mas magaling dyan si Sylvester Stallone kasi meron siyang Rocky, meron siyang Rambo.
Hindi, mas magaling pa rin si Arnold Schwarzenegger.
Sige nga, kung idol mo talaga si Arnold Schwarzenegger, spellingin mo nga yung Schwarzenegger.
Schwarzenegger, S-C-H. Oo nga, ang galing nga ni Sylvester Stallone. Ang galing-galing talaga ni Sylvester Stallone.
Ay!
Classic talaga. Classic!
Sino bang mas idol mo? Si Arnold Schwarzenegger o si Sylvester Stallone? Si Arnold Schwarzenegger o si Sylvester Stallone?
Shield Bath Soap. Galit sa sakit, may malasakit. Kaya naman ang Shield Bath Soap ay recommended ng Philippine Nurses Association.
Bula la 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 la, bula 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 bula.
Anong bula-bula? Itong bath soap ko nga hindi pa ubos, parang hindi na mabula.
Mrs. Shield Bath Soap ang gamitin.
Bula 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 bula.
Mabula at may effective antibacterial ingredient para sugpuin ang germs. Shea butter tulong para hindi mag-dry ang skin.
Kahit paubos na, tuloy pa rin ang bula.
Shield Bath Soap. Galit sa sakit, may malasakit.
At sulit na sulit.
Bula 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 la.
Shield Bath Soap. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Gusto mo ba ng malinis, mapagkakatiwalaan at magandang serbisyo sa iniinom mong tubig? Mag-Agua Fresca ka na! Agua Fresca passes through 21 stages like reverse osmosis, germicidal light, and carbon filter. Agua Fresca has also free and fast delivery. Just call 529-5155 or text 0921-5767380. Agua Fresca Purified Drinking Water is located at Amado Street, Taguban City. Owned by Alfonso Villamil and managed by Miss Edna Pedroso Villamil. Mag-Agua Fresca ka na!
Ang kampiyon ng 10 Commandments, Mang Moy!
Commandment number 4. Kumain ng isda, karne at ibang pagkain may protina. Ikaw, Elmer, anong alam mong may protina?
Mga paborito ko, manok, itlog, tokwa.
Ano pa?
Ang mga butong gulay tulad ng... alam ko na! Sitaw, bataw, patane.
Sundin ang 10 Commandments para sa sigla at lakas ng buhay. Paalala ng National Nutrition Council ng DOH.
Eto na naman! Mga parol! Kumukuti-kutidap na ilaw! Belen Caroling! Ibig sabihin...
Pasko na naman!
Ay! Pasko na!
Ay, Pasko na!
Eto ang kukumpleto sa Christmas spirit nating Pilipino! Ay! Pasko na!
Ay, Pasko na!
Lahat ng maririnig mo, pampasko! Pati istorya sa likod ng kanta, malalaman mo! Ay! Pasko na!
Ay, Pasko na!
Alas 4 hanggang alas 6 ng umaga, dito lang sa IFM!
Ay, Pasko na!
Ay! Pasko na!
IFM, ikaw ay aking best friend. Sa'yo laging makikinig, number 1 ka sa akin. IFM ay aking best friend. IFM ay aking best friend.
On board is Ella Lambingera.
Isang best friend ng radio station nyo sa balat ng radyo IFM Dagupan na Dugatan. 2:32 ang ating oras, mga best friend. Huling araw po ng September. Eto na ha, sama-sama po tayo sa programang kasama mo sa lambingan at sa enjoyment. Ngayong hapon po ng Sabado, programang iWay at 10:47. Waging-wagi ang Sabado mo dahil hanggang alas 6 po tayo maglalambingan. Ang tulay gagawin nyo natin, best friend. Si kayo'y akadukol, wadjad biyahe, painaw magano, o sinsalakwa mo, piya na dire-diretso sa trabaho. Ontan ka kahit ano pa yung ginagawa mo, best friend, ba? Paliligayahin kita. Alalala! Kaya naman, huwag kayong magpapahuli ha. Dugtungan tayo ngayong araw po ng Sabado, mga best friend. Eto lang naman ang kailangan mong dugtungan. Sana bukas blank, 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 blank. Kasi tomorrow, October na, marami na namang magsasabi dyan ng October, please be good to me. At kung ano-ano pang may kinalaman ng October sa buhay mo, diba? Bago magkaalaman, best friend, at bago magpaalam ang September, makiyadugtungan ka sa akin. Text mo lang po ako at samahan yan ng inyong mga palambeng sa ating iText line. That is 0949-614-0306. Pwede rin po sa aming official fan page. Hanapin nyo lang at IFM Dagupan. Ganon din po sa Twitter at sa Instagram, mga best friend. You can visit our official fan page, rmn.ph. Pwede rin pong tumawag 091411-7714, 091557-75283. May landline din tayo. Ganon ka bongga, Leia. 63222-55 mga best. Magbabalik po ang nag-iisang reyna ng Lambingan, best friend Ala Lambingan, na nagsasabing ang taong kulang sa pansin, ang kailangan lamang ay lambingin.
Ang pusong gising, nagising, sabik sa mangyayakap ng kay lambing. Umaga na pala pero walang pakialam. Kausap ka pa, hindi pa nagsandali. Minsan lang ako magkaganito, puso kong umidlip, ginising mo. Ang panalangin ko, ako sanang naiisip mo. Bago pumikit ang iyong mata, ayokong managinip ng mag-isa. Heto na naman, lumusong ang pusong sabik. Di na mahintay, masilayan ang iyong labi. Gabi na, pero iniisip ko pa rin buong araw mo sa aking piling. Minsan lang ako hindi malito, puso kong naligaw ay nahanap mo. Ang panalangin ko, ako sanang naiisip mo. Bago pumikit ang iyong mata, ayoko managinip ng mag-isa. Ang panalangin ko, ako sanang naiisip mo. Bago pumikit ang iyong mata, ayaw na managinip na mag-isa. Di makatulog, di makatulog, di makatulog. I saw you standing there, about fell out my chair. And when you moved your mouth to speak, I felt the blood go to my feet. Now it took time for me to know what you tried so not to show. Something in my soul just cried. I see the want in your blue eyes. Baby, I'd love you to want me the way that I want you, the way that it should be. Baby, you'd love me to want you the way that I want to, if you'd only let it be. You told yourself years ago you'd never let your feelings show. The obligation that you made for the title that they gave. Baby, I'd love you to want me the way that I want you, the way that it should be. Baby, you'd love me to want you the way that I want to, if you'd only let it be. Now it took time for me to know what you tried so not to show. Now something in my soul just cried. I see the want in your blue eyes. Baby, I'd love you to want me the way that I want you, the way that it should be. Baby, you'd love me to want you the way that I want to, if you only let it be. Oh, baby, I'd love you to want me the way that I want you, the way that it should be. Baby, you'd love me to want you the way that I want to, if you only let it be. IFM, ay aking best friend.
Eto na ang IFM Hugot Scoop.
Hatid na ni Madam Inday ang iyong mga kapalaran na aking hinimas-himas mula sa aking bolang kristal. Cancer. May talent ka pero di mo ginagamit. Sayang naman. Huwag magpiling, huwag damdamin. Ito'y pawang gabay lamang para sa iyong nagugulumihan ng isipan.
BCYF, Search for Hometown Heroes. Mga bayani na nasa ating purok o barangay o bayan at palaging nasa paligid lamang natin. Mga nag-iwan ng tatak sa mga komunidad. Mga nagbigay inspirasyon sa ating lahat. Nakapagpapago o nakapagpagaan ng buhay para sa marami. BCYF, Search for Hometown Heroes. Misyon ng Benita Catalina Yap Foundation na parangalan ng ating mga local heroes. Sa dagdag na impormasyon, bisitahin ang BCYF at facebook.com o sa YouTube at bit.do/BCYF Heroes. Kasama ng BCYF Foundation, ang RMN Networks at mga participating partners para sa nationwide search for hometown heroes. Ang DOST, WomenCares.ph, DepEd, Ricardo G. Manabat of KPMG, Management Association of the Philippines at ang Pandayan Bookshop. Maaari din kayong tumawag sa aming pinakamalapit na RMN o IFM station sa inyong lugar. BCYF, search for hometown heroes.
And my people who are called by my name humble themselves and pray and seek my face and turn from their wicked ways, then I will hear from heaven, will forgive their sin, and will heal their land. 2 Chronicles 7:14.
Ang mabuting balita ay hatid sa inyo ng MX3. Mag-MX3 araw-araw para M-Extraordinary.
Anong oras na?
2:45 na!
That time check was brought to you by Cobra Energy Drink. May laban ka!
On board is Ella Lambingera!
IFM. Maaari pa muna natin tong pag-usapan sa dami-rami na ng ating pinagdaanan. Ngayon mo pa ba maisipang isuko ang lahat ng ating pinagsamahan? Masikip sa damdamin, hinigop ng hangin ang lakas, pinanghihinaan ang wagas. Pwede bang pag-isipan, huwag ka munang lumiban? Baka sakali na ito ay may salba pa ng malamig ang gabi. Hindi na tulad ng dati, may pag-asa pa ba kung susuko ka na? Larawan mo ba'y lulukutin ko na? Sa hirap at ginhawa, tayo ay nagsama. Damdamin mo tila'y napagod na. Ikaw at ako ay alaala na lang kung susuko ka na. Bawat pangarap nating pinag-usapan, punta na lang ba ito sa M ay aking best friend. Not that I want to, not to say, but if you only knew how easy it would be to show me how you feel. More than words is all you have to do to make it real. Then you wouldn't have to say that you love me, 'cause I'd already know. What would you do if my heart was torn in two? More than words to show you feel that your love for me is real. What would you say if I took those words away? Then you couldn't make things new just by saying I love you. More than words. Now that I've tried to talk to you and make you understand, all you have to do is close your eyes and just reach out your hands and touch me. Hold me close, don't ever let me go. More than words is all I ever needed you to show. Then you wouldn't have to say that you love me, 'cause I'd already know. What would you do if my heart was More than
Shield Bath Soap. Galit sa sakit, may malasakit. Kaya naman ang Shield Bath Soap ay recommended ng Philippine Nurses Association.
Bula la 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 la, bula 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 bula. Anong bula-bula? Itong bath soap ko nga hindi pa ubos, parang hindi na mabula.
Mrs. Shield Bath Soap ang gamitin.
Bula 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 bula.
Mabula at may effective antibacterial ingredient para sugpuin ang germs. Shea butter tulong para hindi mag-dry ang skin.
Kahit paubos na, tuloy pa rin ang bula.
Shield Bath Soap. Galit sa sakit, may malasakit.
At sulit na sulit. Bula 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 bulala.
Shield Bath Soap. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Increase your market share and revenues with Bitstop Network Services, where we help you lower your cost of acquiring new clients. With BNS, you can deploy tried and tested strategies that leverage the power of the internet that is proven to work for businesses like yours. Call BNS at 6375-522-5089 for a free online conference to find out more about how our innovative web solutions can help you succeed.
Petix Photography captures the beauty of life. They specialize in photo and video coverage of weddings, debut, birthdays, family reunions, and other corporate events. Petix Photography offers trusted photographer for your lifetime memories. You can contact them at 0917-569-6830 and look for Mr. Phil Diaz or visit them at www.petixphotography.com. Petix Photography captures the beauty of life.
Nakita ko na ang partner ko sa kusina'y walang iba. Uling-uli niya ang malasa. Sarap! Kahit anong lutuin ay winner talaga. Sumasarap lahat pag nandyan ka. Hey, 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 hey! Isaw-saw mo mga pagkain gusto mo. Yummy, yummy, sarap nito. JB bagoong panalo. Tak, 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 tak mo. Tiyak magugustuhan mo. JB bagoong, the best lahat ang produkto. Tong, 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 ito ang paborito kong. Alam ang panas-patis ng JB bagoong. Ang sarap ng bonus bagoong. Pang-export, pang-pasalubong. Tong, 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 bonus bagoong. Alam ang panas-patis ng JB bagoong. Ikalidad ang JB bagoong. Sa sarap, ika'y magpapamormor. Tong, tong, tong.
Ay, alas 3 na.
FM, ikaw ay aking best friend. Best friend kong kakulitan, karamay katsikahan. The best sa kwentuhan at tugtugan. Ay, FM, ikaw ay aking best friend. Sa'yo laging makikinig, number 1 ka sa akin. Ay, FM ay aking best friend. Ay, FM ay aking best friend.
On board is Ella Lambingera.
Highway run into the midnight sun. Wheels go round and round my mind. Restless hearts sleep alone tonight. Sending all my love along the wire. They say that the road ain't no place to start a family. Oh, girl, you stand by me. I'm forever yours, faithfully. Look around, you'll see what you can find. steps behind. Yeah, there's a magic running through your soul, but you can't have it all. Whatever you do, I'll be 2 steps behind you. Wherever you go, and I'll be there to remind you that it only takes a minute of your precious time to turn around. I'll be 2 steps behind. Yeah, baby, 2 steps behind. Oh, sugar, 2 steps behind. IFM, ay aking best friend. I know I can never be enough, but I'll always be here. I know that my words are simple and shallow, but I mean everything I say and do. Don't have a diamond ring to put on your finger, but I will see to it that we will always be together. And I thank you from the bottom of my heart, because you are my life, you are my home, you are my sanctuary, you are my peace, you give me hope, you are my sanctuary. You are my better half. You taught me things that I need to know, and you made me realize that life is not just a simple song. And I thank you from the bottom of my heart, because you are my life, you are my home, you are my sanctuary, you are my my sanctuary. You are the heart that keeps me alive. You are my sanctuary. You are the kiss that makes me strong. You are my sanctuary. You are the warmth when I feel cold. You are my
That song is brought to you by Smart Dishwashing. Tanggal-galing ang sebo, tanggal-galing ang bakterya. Tanggaling-galing.
That song was brought to you by Our Shop General Merchandise. Presyong pangkaibigan.
IFM ay aking best friend.
Intagartukan Mansini, si kabalat sunan libre, nayari ka?
Ang bango-bango, ang bango-bango, ang bango ng detergent ko.
Sa pabanguhan ng detergent with Fabcon, ano nga bang mas gusto? Ayon sa research sa Metro Manila, halos 80% ng mga misis mas gusto ang bango ng Pride with Fabcon kaysa leading brand even after 24 hours. Dahil ang Pride may tuloy bango microbeads para sa bangong tuloy-tuloy buong araw.
Tuloy-tuloy bango.
Kaya misis, tuloy na sa Pride with Fabric Conditioner.